Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Weakness to Expert. Today we'll see how we can remove this Powered by Shopify inside the customization. So for this, right here you see on our live store, you normally see this Powered by Shopify. So for this, you have to go back and click on Actions, then Edit Code, and inside the Edit Code, you have to go to Photo section here inside the theme file. Inside the section, you can just simply write a footer, and all the footer sections will be shown to you like this. And inside here, you can press Ctrl F and search for powered. And here you see a powered by links. So you can just simply select it, remove it, click on save, and once you save it, you will have to go back and preview your store, and you will see that there is only name of your store is visible here. Just in log in and see so you can see it properly. Here you see the Powered by Shopify is shown this now. So this was the thing and how you can look back into your store and remove the Powered by Shopify thing inside your footer. Thanks for watching.